Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I have this very cool product that is by the brand Cowin, C-O-W-I-N, and it's the E8. If you guys saw my other video, I did it for the Cowin E7. And I decided to try this product to see whether or not it really is that much more worth it compared to the E7, because this is twice the price of that product. So let me show you guys what the product is first. So right here in my hand is the Cowin E8 active noise cancellation headphone, and this one goes for roughly around 160 or 170 if there's tax or not, but I think I got it for 160, so yeah. So let's actually open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So when you open the box inside, they give you a instruction manual of how to use the product, user guide. They give you a VIP card because you're a VIP when you buy the product. And then here's a thank you card that is by Cowin. And last but not least, the actual product right here. They actually come with a case that's pretty nice. It's actually a hardcover case too, kind of. Not the hardest case, but it is a somewhat hard case. They have a little carabiner right here to let you hold it, put it on your waist or wherever you want to carry with, put it in your bag. Very convenient. Open it up. So inside they give you these stuff. Let me show you. So the headphones right here, and then there's something right here. So it comes with this little baggie inside, so that's pretty nice. And inside the bag they have this little, I think, aux cord. They plug in your auxiliary headphone jack. They have this, and a very nice cable that is micro USB to USB. And this is the aux cord. That's very nice. They actually give you a really nice cable on here. This is a very nice cable that is like very bendable and won't break as easy compared to other cables out there in the market. And then here is the headphone. It has a black and gold kind of finish color. Very soft cushioning on the headpiece right here that when you put on your ear. When I'm feeling it right now, if I have to like let you guys know of like whether or not this one's better or the E7, I think the E7 is actually more comfortable when it comes to feeling it. But I have to actually put it in my ear first and then let you guys know. But if you guys look right here, if you switch this off and on, if you push this up, then it'll go to the bass mode. If you push it down, it'll go to the regular mode without bass. And if you want to turn it on, all you have to do is press and hold this little button right here, if you guys can see right there. So watch, it should blink blue after I pressed it right there. So now it says pairing. So when you see that blue flashing light, that means it's pairing mode. And then right underneath those two is a volume up, volume down. You have a micro USB slot, and then you have a slot right here to plug in your headphone jack. You guys see right here on each side, they have a little dot right here, a little home. Those are the ones that are for a mic, so you can actually call people with this, so it's really cool. And they really emphasized it on the high 5 bass. So let's actually test it out. The noise cancellation is actually really good on this, so that I think they emphasize that a lot on this product as well. So that is a good thing that is actually working. Alright, so just after testing that product right now, I have to say that this product is actually really good, and I feel like it's actually better when it comes to the audio for the product, better than the actual E7. But when it comes to the bass for this product, I have to say that the bass is actually not as good compared to the E7. So depending on what you want, if you want like a much better audio, then definitely this one is better than the E7. But if you want a better bass, then I have to give it to the E7. The E7 is actually much better when it comes to bass. So let me actually show you guys right now what it sounds like. Let's do it. Alright, so now that you guys heard the test, you guys can be the one to decide which one is more worth it for you guys. But if you have to ask me, I have to say that for me, I think I'd rather stick with the E7 because I think I prefer a little more bass to get that like home theater kind of vibe. Even though the audio is better in this, it doesn't feel as much as a powerful impact of a music or audio when it's coming out of the headphone. But this product does do its job and produce a really good audio on it, so I have to give it for Cowin for that, because audio is actually much better on this product compared to the other one. However, I do want better bass, so I'm gonna stick to my E7. The other thing that makes it really worth it for this product as well is the fact that it comes with a hard case, because the other ones give you a little bag that is not a hard case, so it won't really protect that much. And the fact that everything that comes in this package, so like these cables are really high quality. Everything about this was really high quality. Only thing missing was the base. So to answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it though, I have to say that if you really prefer more better audio, then this product is definitely worth it, especially with everything coming out of the product, like the cables and everything like I just mentioned. But if you're looking for something that is more for bass, if you don't care as much for the audio quality, more of like the bass, then definitely go for the A7, because that one overall is a better, I feel like, fit. So other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. As always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.